Do you need to document files digitally, but you're clueless where to start? A great way to begin this journey is to check out DeftPDF online. It's a free software that can help you create and manage PDF files right on your browser. It's free, it's simple, and it doesn't need to be installed on your computer. And if there are any unfamiliar terms you've encountered along the way, there's no need to worry, because we're here to simplify and sum up those jargons for you. Let's begin. First of all, what is a PDF? A PDF is a file format that can be read and viewed on any platform, which is why it is the preferred document format all over the world. Accessibility. Technology created specifically for those impaired. ADOBE ACROBAT. An application that allows users to edit, modify, convert, and to read the file format. ADOBE Reader. A program that can be downloaded to read and open PDF files. ADOBE Systems, a company that created PDF format in 1993. Annotations, marking on the document, highlight, underline, strike through, commenting, adding shapes, linking, adding drawings, sound annotation, widget annotation, pop-up annotation, movie annotation, printer's marks, watermark, 3D, redact, etc. Attachment. It can be any data, annotations, links, files, digital photos, or any digital objects that are embedded or included in the file. Bates numbering. Adding a filing system to your documents by putting unique labels and page numberings on every page of the digital document. Bookmark. Clickable links displayed on the screen to help readers navigate through the document. It is also known as the document outline. CMYK, a color model that stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key black. It's also a process that suits printing well as colors are preserved and presented better. Color profiles, colors resulting from applications, printer, or devices. Adobe, along with Apple and other companies, has proposed an industry standard for device-independent colors that is now known as ICC, International Color Consortium. Digital signature. An electronic form of your written signature, fingerprint, retinal scan, or mathematical key. This is used to authenticate the identity of the sender. Encoding. Characters that are used in sets and specific order, known as codes. Encryption. Added security to your PDF document. File structure. The composition and construction of a PDF file consists of header, body, cross-reference table, xref, and trailer. Fonts, a graphical render or glyph design on the characters used. Letters, numbers, and punctuations. Forms, fields such as text boxes, radio buttons, check boxes, and lists gather information from readers. Glyph, the graphical rendering that is set on a font. It basically makes up the design in the letters. Image-only PDF. The contents of the file cannot be read or copied as you would with a regular text. It is often known as a scanned PDF file or a photocopied document in its digital form. ISO 3200. Internal organization for standardization file format will be electronically independent of the platform, device, application used to create or view it. Therefore, it is universal. JPEG. The most common image file format. This can be inserted in a PDF or converted to a PDF using JPEG to PDF tool from DeftPDF. Lossless. Images or contents do not change even if the file is compressed. Machine-readable. Document is made with a computer, therefore the content can be copied or searched by the computer. Metadata. Information embedded on the document that usually consists of search keywords, title, author, date created, and subject, and helps its archiving and searchability. OCR. Converts images-only files, scanned files into machine-readable files. PDF-A. A type of PDF for long-term archiving of documents. PDF-E. PDF engineering is specifically used for engineering and design. PDF UA. PDF Universal Accessibility, targeted for those using assistive technology due to impairment. PDFX, a set of standards for PDF that is specifically for graphics and printing. PDF viewers or PDF readers, a software that can be read or open a PDF file. Portfolio, the collection of work, media files, and details in one PDF document. POSTSCRIPT, a page description language in digital publishing. It is also a composition or part of the PDF. PREFLIGHT, analyzation of a file before printing. Plugins, third-party applications that are used on a specific program to allow additional actions that cannot be accomplished by the main program. RASTERIZE, converting an image vector into pixels or dots so it can be viewed and used for video display, print, or stored. Redaction, permanently removing text or images on a PDF and adding a sensor-shaped new version of a text. RGB basically means red, blue, and green that represents the model and the process used in web and digital screens. Searchable PDF. The tool used to convert is an OCR tool, which you can also access at DeftPDF.com. Security. Limiting the access of readers to a document. Encryption, adding on a password, etc. Transparency. The opacity of an object, image, or background contained in the file. UNICODE. International encoding standard for different scripts and different computer languages. Vector graphics. Points, lines, curves, shapes, and polygons used and placed inside a PDF to portray an image. Version. Software developments with improvements. There you have it. Hope this list helps you understand digital documentation using the PDF format. If you have any more questions and want to learn further, make your way to DeftPDF.com for more how-to articles and free PDF tools to make your life as easy as 1, 2, 3.